सर ये आपके एंड पे हो रहा है? रमन सर?
हम रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट होगी।
हाँ बेटा, वो वी आर नॉट श्योर अगर वो रमन सर के एंड पे हो रहा है या मेरे एंड पे हो रहा है, बट एनीवे चलो। ओके,
मैम
सो
स्टार्ट
लास्ट
हो गई,
टाइम,
आप करिए मैम प्लीज।
ठीक है सर। सो लास्ट टाइम वी हैड लेफ्ट इट एट द टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स। तो अभी हमें क्या आइडिया है दिवित, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन एडजेक्टिव एंड अ वर्ब?
हाँ जी मैम।
व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन एडजेक्टिव एंड अ वर्ब? देखना नहीं है गुरमन, देखना नहीं है आर्यन?
Ma'am, adjective is adjective is basically used for a person. मतलब
टू डू व्हाट?
ma'am, like if for example,
देखना नहीं है।
नहीं blank है ma'am पूरा.
हम्म
Ma'am, for example, like uh, he is studying
ओके।
or ma'am he is studying.
What
नहीं
does an adjective do? What is the purpose of an adjective in grammar?
ma'am to uh,
मार पड़ेगी।
ma'am
Gurman, what about you? What is the purpose of an adjective?
मैम एडजेक्टिव किसी चीज को डिफाइन
हाँ
करता
हाँ हिंदी।
है। सॉरी मैम, एडजेक्टिव डिफाइंस अ थिंग, इट इज अ डिस्क्राइबिंग थिंग।
Describes a thing. Okay, all right. So we can also call it a descriptor. And Aryan, what is a verb?
Ma'am, any verb which any sentence, any part of sentence which is time plus action.
Time plus action. You're absolutely right. What does that mean, time plus action?
Ma'am, it
Time as in
signifies that what action is completed in what time.
meaning?
Or
Time meaning? Time का क्या element है वहाँ?
ma'am, it is past, present, or future.
Tense. So, okay, correct. So you're trying to say that verb signifies the tense, that means the time element, helping verb element, plus the action element of what the subject is doing in a sentence. Okay? So action words सिर्फ बोलना, like I said, 50%, it's 50% correct. Now we have to say tense or state of being or time plus action. Okay, moving on to what is known as an adverb. Again, this is also a describing word, but this is used to describe verbs. The hint is in the name itself. अब जो adjective, that is for describing nouns, adverb is to describe verbs. ठीक है? So you can write down adverbs. They describe verbs and bracket में लिख लो most, not all, end in ly. This is just a little hint. Most end in ly. Examples भी लिख सकते हो actually साथ में. You could say quickly, slowly. Acha, is fastly a word? If I say he ran fastly, fastly.
No, ma'am.
मैम
Fastly is not a word. Fast is a
Faster.
word. बिल्कुल.
Faster.
Fast, बेटा faster जो होगा वो तो second degree of adjective हो गया. अभी दिवित ने तो पूछा ही नहीं degrees of adjective क्या होती है. अभी तो हम adjective पे ही अड़ गए. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही, मैं next time से बहुत strictly लिया करूंगी ये, अगर ये revision नहीं होगी, ठीक है? Okay, so easily, quickly, slowly, etc. These are describing how an action takes place. So something that describes a noun is an adjective, something that describes the verb is an adverb. Okay, so basically you can write down the kinds. लिख लो. Kinds of adverb. Number one is adverb of time or adverbs of time. Now again, I'm going to give you some questions how to answer कि कौन से type का adverb है. This will say which show when an action takes place. And underline when. So examples of this could be before, after, now, early, late, daily, already, soon, ago, never, yesterday, always, since, etc. Let me write this neatly. So again, this is telling you when an action takes place. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल्स लिख लो. अच्छा, एक और है फॉर्मली. अब हाउ डू आई नो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज एक CDS फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में आ चुका है. राइट डाउन मिस्टर गुप्ता. एग्जाम्पल लिख लो. Formerly, FORMERLY, formerly,
Ma'am, can you repeat the spelling, please?
FORMERLY, formerly. You know how we say former and latter? So former means before. अच्छा, आपने सुना हुआ ये concept सुना है former and latter का?
No, ma'am.
नहीं? Okay. अच्छा, अभी example लिख लो और bracket में लिख लो former and latter. So Mr. Gupta formerly lived in Egypt. Formerly lived in Egypt. Aryan, what are the spellings of Egypt?
EGYPT.
Good, great. ठीक है, so bracket में लिख लो the difference between former and latter. Former versus latter. When I say
LATE
versus, you understand what it means? हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am. Former. Yes, ma'am.
Former. बेटा सबसे पूछ रही हूँ when I say versus, VS, is it clear? जैसे हम matches के time देखते ना, India versus Pakistan. So
Yes.
something which is opposite, okay? Opposite to the first one. So former is before.
Before.
हाँ. Versus.
Latter means after.
Yes. Former and latter. अब इसके examples लिख सकते हो. Former Chief Minister of India versus latter. So the previous one, basically former is the previous and latter is the next. Previous or the next one. So if you say Mr. Gupta formerly lived in Egypt, that means earlier he lived in Egypt. Okay. Acha. So if I say that there are two students who have brought sweets for the class, Divit and Aryan have both brought sweets for the class. The former has brought, let's say, eclairs, and the latter has brought mango bite. Example. Okay, so I've taken the example of two nouns here. One, the previous one. Second one, the next one. The later. Later नहीं है, ये latter होता है. LATTER. Okay, so don't confuse the two also. All right. So this was adverb of time. Next one, write down, is adverb
Ma'am,
of frequency.
Is there a difference between latter and later?
Yes, there are totally different words. Later means afterwards in time, and latter means the thing which is not previous. It's the next one. So sequence, एक होता है sequence. Later is sequence of time. The other one is sequence of position. Latter is sequence of position.
Okay.
You understand? So if I say the two students, like I just gave you the example, na? So Divit and Aryan have brought sweets for the class. The former has brought eclairs. So you have brought eclairs, and the latter has brought mango bite. So one is position, and one is before and after in terms of time. जो later वाला है वो time का है. दूसरा वाला latter position का है. लिख लो ये. Later refers to. afterward in time. Later refers to afterwards in time. Latter refers to next in position or sequence. Latter refers to next in position or sequence. So let's say group discussion ho raha hai, and two people have made points, one right after the other. You don't agree with the first one, you agree with the second one. So how would you now put this? That in my opinion, I agree with the
Later.
Or
latter.
latter.
Latter. So see, position है ना, sequence है ना, तो आप कौन सा वाला ले रहे हो? Latter ले रहे हो. But if you say that first we will go for a movie and later we'll go for lunch.
Okay.
So that is in terms of time. One is in terms of position. Divit, can you use both in a sentence for me? Latter
Later
and
and
later?
later.
Latter and later both?
Ma'am, we can say that position or sequel position. I would said latter to you, but later I'll change my directional. I'll change my direction.
Latter, समझ गई मैं मतलब क्यों confusion हुई, but that's not how we use it. We can say that I agree with the latter speaker, not the former. That means the second one, not the first.
Okay.
Later we will discuss why I agree with the latter.
Okay.
Okay, so is it clear? Aryan, समझ आ गया? Difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. Move on to adverbs of frequency. Again, frequency means how often something is done. So you'll write which show how often an action takes place. Okay. Can you think of some examples if you say once, twice, seldom? Seldom means sometimes, not very frequent. Okay. So seldom, or you can say rarely, frequently, often. Again, always, etc. So notice that मैंने जो है always I have used in terms of time also, in terms of frequency also. It depends on how a word is used in a sentence. अच्छा, एक और चीज, अगर आप मुझे पूछो कि मैम is a word definitely an adjective or an adverb, I'll always tell you उसकी usage देखो कैसे है. Now, if I say lovely, could I use lovely to describe a person?
No.
No.
Yes.
No, you can use it to describe its work.
Only work? Can't I say he's a lovely person or she's a lovely human being?
Matlab, you can use it in both the ways.
I can use it in both ways, yes. So I can use it to describe a noun. So if I say that Gurman is a lovely person, that means I've described a noun. So ye adjective hai. But if
And
I
how
say,
lovely his writing is.
ha, so if I say Devit's writing is lovely, dikha. Not bad, very neat to hai bhai. Okay, so Devit's writing is lovely. Now in this case, again noun describe hua hai bache. But if I say the dancing was lovely, in this case,
Ma'am, in this case also it is matlab, described. Her
अच्छा
dance was lovely.
एक और कॉन्सेप्ट लिख लो जिसमें एक लाइन से ज्यादा पता होने की जरूरत नहीं है. On top of your page, I want you to put a star and write down words that end in ing, words that end in ing are known as gerunds. Gerunds. Gerunds.
GER.
Gerunds. Okay, so I'm making a small change in adverbs of time. I've removed always from there. आपको मैंने ज़्यादा confuse नहीं करना. देखो, we won't go into the very nuanced, मतलब बहुत intricate या बहुत बारीकियों में नहीं जाएंगे. But just to give you an idea, a word can be used as an adjective or an adverb both. Depends on whether the noun is being described or whether an action is being described. ठीक है? So एक जो हम लोग गलती spoken language में बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. If I ask people, how are you? Okay, Aryan, how are you?
I am
I'm
fine,
fine,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Fine. Divit, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. Goodman, how are you?
I am good.
I'm good. Hey, देखो, अब ना there's this new fashion that you ask 10 people, and out of 10 people, about 6, 7, or even 8 people will say, I'm good. This is what I call the Americanization of language. अब American TV shows and American movies, they tell us that answering how are you with I am good is correct. But actually it's not. अच्छा, अब good जो है, good is a describing word. So good is describing nouns. So good is an adjective. Whereas if somebody asks you, how are you? They're asking your state of being. They're asking your existence. Existence क्या है? Is it a noun or a verb?
Noun.
Living. Action. So क्या हुआ? Noun हुआ कि verb हुआ?
Verb.
Verb हुआ. So जो good है,
Verb.
it's not a verb at all. Good जो होता है, वो adjective होता है. Well is an adverb. ठीक है, हम उसमें भी आएंगे. Adverb of manner, we'll come to the इसका next category adverb of manner ही है. But if you ask somebody how are you, you should only answer with either I'm well, thank you, how about you, or you can say I'm fine, I'm fit and fine, I'm doing super, I'm amazing, thanks, how about you, how are you. So देखो, पहली बात, we have lost courtesy along the way. जब कोई elder, जब कोई senior, you know, or in a formal situation, if somebody asks us, like let's say you go for your SSB interview and the interviewing officer asks you, how are you? देखो, दूसरे ने courtesy करी है. They don't need to be asking us, but they have. So it's something that they've done as a sign of, you know, respect for us or courtesy for us. So the least we can do is also return that courtesy. हमारी सेंस ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट इसमें भी है that हम उनको वापस पूछें कि आई एम डूइंग वेरी वेल, थैंक यू, हाउ अबाउट यू, और हाउ आर यू डूइंग, और आई होप यू आर ऑल राइट एज वेल. एटलीस्ट यू नो इतना उसके बाद. सो दिवित, हाउ आर यू? आई एम वेल मैम, थैंक यू, व्हाट अबाउट यू, और हाउ अबाउट यू. So it's always
you
good
tell-
to also ask. ठीक है, and ये एक, if you can carry one lesson into spoken language and written language, I am good कहना बंद कर दो. Because on top of your sheets जहाँ gerund लिखा है ना, अच्छा gerund के examples लिख लो. Write down reading, traveling, singing, etc. Reading, traveling, singing, etc. और उसके नीचे लिख लो good versus well. Good versus well. And under good, write down it is an adjective. And under well, write down it is an adverb. Example, how are you?
Well, you tell.
Example लिखो.
अच्छा.
Example, how are you? I am good. पहले लिखो I am good. Then underline good and put a cross. Underline good, put a cross, and then उसके नीचे लिखो well and put a tick mark. ये visual cues है ना, visual hints से आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से याद रहेगा. ठीक है? So I am good को cross लगाओ and under good write down well and put a tick mark there. Right? Okay. Now, moving on to the third type of adverb. The third type of adverb is adverb of manner, the one I just spoke about. Adverb of manner. A manner shows you how an action is done. Okay, so in what way it is done, in what manner it is done. So write down which show how or in what manner an action is done or an action takes place. Now, in this, examples could be, I'm going to start with the first one, जो हमने अभी किया, well. So if I say, how did you do in your examination? Ma'am, I did well. I think I did well. The result will tell the rest. But I did well. Okay, so how did you do? In what manner was your examination, or in what manner did your examination go? It went well. Then you can say clearly, easily, or soundly. अच्छा, soundly का क्या मतलब है? Deeply. लिख लो, soundly. Example, the baby slept soundly. The baby slept soundly. That means the baby had deep sleep. Underline soundly, write down deep. Deep or proper. गुरमन जी लिख लो.
लिख लिया मैम.
Deep or proper लिख लिया?
Yes मैम.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है. Can you use this in another way? Can we use sound in another way? सुना है हमने कभी?
Soundly.
हाँ. Sound या soundly?
Soundly,
Ma'am, he was studying deeply. Soundly.
नहीं, we use this when we say that the argument is very sound. Yeah, if you say that the logic was soundly explained or the logic was sound. Example लिख लो, the logic was sound. Means it was deep and it was correct. It was proper. The logic in his argument was sound. Yeah, the argument itself was sound. अच्छा, आपने legal documents में पता नहीं शायद सुना है या कभी देखा है, even when they say somebody is in sound mind.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
sound mind.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the meaning of the logic was sound?
So the logic was sound means the logic was proper. Was
And what
clear.
is the opposite of it?
Unsound.
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 Okay. Now,
अब ये
we
लिख ले,
can,
this is a good question. What is the opposite? Is unsound. Write this down. He made an
ma'am,
unsound argument.
can we say it like that? This situation was unsound.
No. A situation will not be unsound. Line of thinking or argument or reasoning will be unsound.
The argument that you were doing was unsound.
The argument you were making was unsound. हाँ, ये हो सकता है.
Okay.
बिल्कुल हो सकता है.
The argument you were making was unsound.
हाँ, ये लिख लो. The argument you were making was unsound. This is a good way to tell somebody that you're not making sense. लिखो जी आर्यन जी. सुनने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे पता है. खो जाता है तो. I always say, use refined language ताकि सामने वाला थोड़ा सा baffle भी हो जाए कि अभी बोला क्या. So let's say you're in a group discussion, or let's say you're talking to somebody or maybe fighting or arguing with somebody, and instead of saying, I think you're wrong, or I don't agree, I think that is bad argument, wrong argument, rather than saying that, you can just, very calmly, very coolly, without getting aggressive, if you just say that the argument, I think the argument you made was rather unsound. सामने वाला भी 2 मिनट तो सुनेगा कि यार अभी बोला क्या. So मैं always say कि जब किसी को verbally थपेड़े भी मारने होते हैं, जुतियां, पंजाबी में से जुतियां भी मारनी होती है ना, तो वो भी थोड़ा प्यार से मारो ताकि सामने वाला 2 सेकंड सुने तो सही कि ये बोला क्या मुझे अभी प्यार से थप्पड़ पड़ गया, ये पता भी नहीं चला. So use refined language even in normal communication, and this will really help you. ये जो मैं phrases बताती रहती हूँ ना, या these will help in SSBs. Or later in formal communication they'll help a lot. Okay, so manner के लिए और लिखो slowly, sadly, etc. Slowly, fast, See, I told you most will be ly words, not all of them. Like for example, fast is not an ly word, but it's an adverb. So if you say he was running fast, so his action was being done in a quick manner. Okay, so slowly, fast, sadly, happily, agreeably. अच्छा, एक और लिख लो so. This is very important. So का मतलब है in this way. And an example could be, why do you say so? So example लिख लो. Why do you say so? That means why are you saying this or in this manner, in this way? Or you should not do so. I did not expect you to do this. You should not do so. Do so means you should not behave in this manner. ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझ आ गया, तो we'll move on to
And ma'am,
adverb
there
of
is one
place.
phrase also, na? So
Which
you go,
one?
so you reap.
As you sow. वो
As you sow, as you reap.
SOW है.
Okay.
Sowing seeds. As you sow.
Okay.
अच्छा, नहीं लिख लो, ये बहुत अच्छा है. As you sow, comma, so shall you reap. SO. Let me actually write this down. It's a good one. ये कहाँ से याद आया तुझे?
मैम आपने वो सो बोल रहे थे तो मैम, तो उससे मुझे एक ये फेज याद आया था.
As you sow, so shall you reap. Okay, अब इसमें SOW का मतलब है sowing seeds, which means planting seeds. Reap means to harvest. लिख लो, underline, sow को underline करो, SOW को write down, to plant seeds. To plant seeds, and reap is to harvest.
मतलब जैसा करोगे वैसा भुगतोगे इन हिंदी में से ट्रांसलेट.
We don't say in Hindi. Now translate for me.
जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे.
साले हिंदी का मतलब translate का मतलब translate into English, not translate into another version of Hindi. बड़ा cool बनता है. हाँ, बता.
जैसा बोगे
Easy
वैसा
language.
निकलोगे.
Easy language.
No, I was translating this. As you sow, so shall you reap in Hindi. I was translating this.
अरे थैंक यू सो मच, बट आती है मुझे इंग्लिश. अब मेरे को इंग्लिश में सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझा. इफ यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू अ चाइल्ड
हाँ
of
जी.
let's say 5 years old or 7 years old in simple language, but simple English.
अच्छा, if you do if you do bad things, that bad things will happen to you.
The result will be bad. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Absolutely correct. See, you're able to do it. If you think about it. As you sow, so shall you reap. अब इसमें जो sow है, SO, that is an adverb of manner here. That means in that way you will reap. In that way you will harvest.
Okay.
So ठीक है, ये वो वाला है. It's the same. Good idea to do this. जहां पे association, जैसी भी association मिलती रहे ना, मेरे साथ discuss करते रहा करो. All right, then write down adverbs of place. Which show where an action is done. Where an action takes place. Example could be here, there, up, down, in, out, forward, backward. You could say away, within, etc. अच्छा, एक आजकल people are so open and honest about mental health, which I love. You know how people say look within and you'll find the answers. जब हम कहते हैं ना introspect, think, look inwards. अब inwards and look within if I have to ask you what type of part of speech is within. So look is what? Look is what part of speech? Copy में तो लिखा ही नहीं है. What part of speech is look? What does it depict?
Adverb.
Look. Noun
Action.
होता है. It's
Verb.
action.
The
Okay.
verb.
So it's a
No,
verb.
verb.
Yes, absolutely. It's a verb.
Yes, because we are doing some action at it. We are looking at
Absolutely. You're
something
doing an action. So look is a verb. Look where?
beneath you.
Within. जब मैंने अभी बोला ना look
Within.
inwards या within. तो अब what question is the adverb asking? कि where are we doing the action? या where is the action directed? Within, inside, inwards. So ये क्या हो गया? Adverb of
Adverb of manner.
adverb of
Adverb of place.
adverb of place. कैसे? Because it's asking the action, it's asking where the action is taking place. आपको ये questions ध्यान से समझने पड़ेंगे. Look at the very first one. Go back to adverb of time. When is an action taking place? Is it taking place before, after, now, early? Okay, give me an example, Gurman, of adverb of time. Use it in a sentence. Any adverb of time, use it in a sentence. When is an action taking place?
Ma'am,
After your practice.
देख के अभी देख के बोल लो, कोई बात नहीं. अभी
After
पढ़
your
के बोल
practice,
लो.
be
अभी लिखा है
proper
आपने.
stretching.
हाँ, दिवित बोलो. What are you saying?
After your match, do proper stretching.
After your match, do proper stretching. Absolutely. So इसमें after is the adverb of time.
time.
Okay. Gurman, can you give me another example? उसने after use करा. तो
No,
देख के
आपने
बोल,
adverb
कोई
of
बात
place का नहीं पूछा था अभी.
नहीं. Time.
Adverb. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
I'll do my homework after the class.
After the class, but after उसने बोल दिया. Now try something else.
I attended my class before the match.
Can we say yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, can we say yesterday?
Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am.
Okay. बिल्कुल सही है.
Or
अच्छा,
ma'am,
Aryan,
it's time for me to leave now.
leave now. Okay, absolutely correct. When is an action taking place? When is the leaving taking place? Now.
Now.
तो when का क्या मतलब है? Adverb of time. फिर adverb of frequency. How often is something done? Aryan, give me an example of a sentence using adverb of frequency.
Frequency.
How often is an action taking place? When does it
I
rain?
meditate twice a day.
Twice a day. Okay, what did you say? Sorry, what did you do twice a day?
Meditate.
Meditated. So you say I meditate twice a day. Great. Okay, twice a day. Twice is absolutely correct. Acha,
Once
Divit,
in a
up
blue
third
moon.
wala.
Once in
Manner.
a blue
It
moon.
show in what way or in what manner?
Ma'am, manner we can say that. Ma'am, example, the baby is sleeping soundly.
Oh wow, ये कहाँ से सुना आपने? अच्छा, बड़ा अच्छा example है. That's very sound judgment, very sound reasoning. I wonder where you heard that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Cheating ना करके अगर और कोई original example है अनु मलिक तो वो बताएं. हाँ.
So, from tomorrow I would study soundly.
I will study soundly. Okay, ठीक है. Soundly के अलावा can we use another adverb of manner?
Yeah. Well, what was your question? Can you repeat?
Which one is it?
Adverb of manner. Well,
The action is not वो well दूसरा part of speech है वो आगे आके हम करेंगे.
okay.
When आगे जाके we'll do infinitives, interrogatives, conjunctions, etc. etc. ये दूसरा part of speech था. Well here is describing the way an action is done.
Can you please speak clearly? I can't understand it.
ठीक है. Speak clearly is fine. Well को use करो as an adverb of manner.
Well,
Doing something.
He did his homework very well.
हाँ, okay, he did his homework very well. He spoke very well. He performed very well. I am well. ओके ठीक है,
तो मैम
समझ आया
how
हाउ वी आर यूजिंग द क्वेश्चंस, जहां पे जो जो अंडरलाइन करा है वो समझ आया कैसे यूज हो रहा है?
मैम some people use well in starting as well
वो भी
gentlemen,
है
how are
बच्चे,
you doing today?
that's
मैम तो
also
what?
that's what I'm saying. You have many words. अब जैसे since है ना, हमने since
जी
as an adverb of time भी use करा है, since हम आगे जाके prepositions में भी करेंगे. So is it possible in English for one word to have multiple uses and multiple meanings? Yeah, absolutely right. बट अगेन लाइक आई सेड, उसका पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच का डिपेंडेंस ये रहेगा कि हम उसको कहाँ पे लगा रहे हैं इन अ सेंटेंस. सो वेल इज कमिंग बिफोर, यस एब्सोल्युटली, वील कम टू दोज लेटर. अभी मैं बहुत सारे नाम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना ही नहीं चाहती हूँ. अभी आप जिस जिस स्पीड पे मैं चल रही हूँ ना, आप डोंट कंफ्यूज योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, सो अभी आप इस तरह से चलो. वेल का एक यूजेज, अभी तभी मैं प्रेपोजिशंस पे आगे भी नहीं गई हूँ. सिंस जो होगा वो आगे आपके प्रेपोजिशन में भी आएगा, बट मैं उधर अभी जा ही नहीं रही हूँ. ठीक है, ओके, यहाँ तक अगर समझ आ गया है तो डू द फिफ्थ वन. वी ओनली हैव 2 more to go. Fifth one is an adverb of degree or quantity. Adverb of degree या आपको एग्जाम में as quantity आ सकता है. So which show how much in what degree or to what extent or to what extent an action takes place. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं TOO. For example, he was too careful to make any mistakes. लिख लो example लिखो. He was too careful, TOO. He was too careful to make any mistakes. Too careful to make any mistakes. Then almost, fully, completely. Are you prepared for the exam? On the last day, I will ask you, and I hope that you will say yes, ma'am. Fully prepared, ma'am.
we
We
are
are
fully prepared,
completely
ma'am.
prepared. क्या देवित अब क्या बोल रहा है?
No, ma'am, I am saying that we will say that we are fully prepared.
I bloody well hope that you will be fully prepared also. सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है ना मुझे, है ना, मुझे मेरे सिर्फ दिल को खुश नहीं करना है, actually होना भी है. Okay, so I hope that you will say that, ma'am, we are entirely prepared, we are completely prepared, we are wholeheartedly prepared. ठीक है, so all of these are what? See, if you say entirely also, all of these are adverbs of degree. कि कितने extent तक, to what degree, to what limit is the action taking place, right? You can even say यहाँ पे भी so आएगा. अब
And
यहाँ पे मैनर वाला सो नहीं है. हाँ
extend,
हाँ, एक्सटेंड. हाँ, सो इफ यू से दैट आई एम सो हैप्पी, आई एम सो हैप्पी टुडे. अब यहाँ पे सो वाला जो है, दिस इज गिविंग यू वेरी वाला मीनिंग. आई एम सो हैप्पी, इट इज सो कोल्ड, या द फूड इज सो स्पाइसी, इट्स गिविंग यू दैट मीनिंग ऑफ वेरी. इससे पहला वाला जो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर था वही वर्ड है ना. देखा मैंने क्या बोला, दैट द सेम वर्ड will come in different places, and if I ask
yes,
you is it an adverb of manner or is it an adverb of extent, of degree, then it will depend कि कैसे use हुआ है. If you say that the food is so spicy that I can't eat it, then how
adverb of
spicy is the
degree,
food? यहाँ पे adverb of
degree.
degree है. ठीक है, but if you say that I hope he had not spoken so, I hope he had not said so, adverb of manner, that way, I hope he had not said things in that way. So again, do we have any one particular meaning? No, we have multiple meanings, multiple usages. Example लिखो all together. ये भी आपके AFCAT क्वेश्चन में, अभी मैंने पिछले हफ्ता पहले कुछ एडवर्ब के वो उसके AFCAT के पेपर्स देखे थे, उसमें आया था all together पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में. अच्छा, यहाँ पे even when you say as, for example, as tall as, या he sings well but not as well as his brother. Example bracket में लिख लो. Example as well as tall as. Hints लिखते रहो. Then rather also, for example, it is rather cold outside today. It is rather cold outside today. Now this rather also means very. With भाई साहब लिख लो.
Ma'am, rather also have different meaning. Like this
आप
you
पहले
said.
लिखो जो मैंने बोला है. Because वो भी मिस होएगा फिर.
Ma'am, can you repeat the example?
हाँ, I can.
Yes, you may.
No, you're not asking for permission. You're asking me to do you a favor. So could or would?
You could.
I could.
Yes, sir.
Would.
Would you please
Yeah.
repeat the
हाँ.
would you please repeat the example for me?
Of rather, it is rather
Yeah.
cold outside today. Then also partly is an example. Partly. And finally, pretty. खुश होने की जरूरत नहीं है दिवित. ये वो वाला pretty नहीं है. This pretty also means very.
Some.
Very.
ठीक है. This pretty also means very. Like for example, again you can say that the paper was pretty easy. We were able to solve it easily. Pretty. लिख लो example लिखो. The paper was pretty easy. ठीक है. अब if you have to use pretty in another way, then what part of speech is it? Sakshi is a pretty girl. So how will we now use that as a part of speech?
Adverb of manner.
मारूंगी ना एक. गर्ल क्या हुआ? वर्ब हुआ कि नाउन हुआ?
Noun.
नाउन हुआ. सो नाउन को क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है? एडवर्ब के एडजेक्टिव?
Adjective.
Adjective, absolutely. So now what do we say? It's an adjective. Pretty here is an adjective. Why? Because it's describing a person. Person, place, animal, thing is a noun. So what describes a noun is an adjective. What describes a verb is an adverb. देखो अगर concept broadly if you've understood, then आगे जाके थोड़ा सा आप लोग deeply जब पढ़ोगे ना, when you revise it, तब समझ आ जाएगा. If you've been able to understand it, you know, broadly. Okay, now you have two more to go. Sixth one is adverb of affirmation and negation. Adverb of affirmation and negation. अब affirmation जो होता है, it is positive, and negation, as the word negative you know means it is negative. So affirmation में क्या होगा? Examples: surely. When you say we will surely win this match. Definitely. Certainly. And negative में सिर्फ क्या आएगा? Not. And final is adverb of reason. इसमें हम जैसे लिखते हैं hence, therefore, and thus. Like for example, in maths, in geometry, we do not. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. अब ये
Ma'am, because
तो 3 dots है, ये पता है ना, sign of. This means
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
therefore.
Yes, ma'am.
And इसका उल्टा कर दिया तो क्या होता है?
मैम इसमें because नहीं
Because
है.
Yes, absolutely. This is because. बिल्कुल सही. बट मैं यहाँ पे लिख नहीं रही हूँ बिकॉज वो एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन नहीं है. ओके, नाउ एक छोटा सा नीचे मेक अ नोट different uses. Different uses of the same adverb. Of the same word, sorry. Now, if you say, first wala, she sings delightfully. So how is the action being done? यहाँ पे ये क्या हो गया? Manner. The singing is delightful. But if you say the weather is delightfully present, delightfully pleasant. या delightfully cool. तो यहाँ पे degree of cool क्या है? Delightful. So this is adverb of degree. It can only be positive, na? Here, delightful. ठीक है? Or if you say don't go far. Oh, sorry. Don't go far. So यहाँ पे far is adverb of place. एक सेकंड मैं आपको underline कर दूं पहले. Another example of this could be, he is far better now. Let's say somebody was unwell. So ये भी क्या हो गया? Degree. What is the extent to which he is better? He is far better. समझ आ गया है? Concept पता चल गया? इसको
Yes,
पढ़ना
ma'am.
पड़ेगा 3-4 दफा. दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा जरूर, पर ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a screenshot today of some sentences. You're going to tell me what the adverb is and what kind of adverb it is. 2 दिन है अभी.
Okay.
To my next class. My next class with you is on Thursday. Next time, I'm going to start articles with you.
Okay.
Okay. So as we know, articles a, an, and the. So हम उनका articles का concept, the uses, and the concept of rules regarding use of the we'll do. जो exam
Okay.
questions में आते हैं mostly. यहाँ तक clear हो गया? Anything you'd like to ask me?
No, ma'am.
Since we've covered quite a chunk, हमने 4-5 कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से कर लिए हैं, so आज मैं आप लोगों को इसका स्क्रीनशॉट, इसका पीडीएफ भेज दूंगी. ठीक है? फिर अगली बारी से हम थोड़ा सा higher order technical parts of speech में जाएंगे. We'll start articles, then we'll do prepositions, and फिर further on tenses, etc. ठीक है? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. Good night. I'm dismissing class,
Ma'am.
and I'll see you guys on Thursday. हाँ बेटा, आर्यन?
मैम आपने मिनर्वा में एक ऐप बताया था जहाँ से हम जैसे वर्ड मीनिंग्स वगैरह देख सकते थे.
Merriam-Webster.
कौन सा मैम?
Merriam-Webster. MERRIAM. Webster. WEBSTER. ये अभी फोन में क्यों नहीं है?
मैम फोन मेरा खराब हो गया.
अच्छा, तो नया लिया तो?
मेरे फोन में है मैम.
तेरे
अभी
फोन में
लिया
है?
ही नहीं है.
यार मेरे सब स्टूडेंट्स के पास, इवन दोस आई हैव टॉट 9-10 इयर्स अगो, जो आज जिनकी 2 प्रमोशंस हो चुकी हैं, जो एक्चुअल ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनके पास वो कहते हैं मैम हम अभी भी यूज करते हैं, अभी भी मेरे वेबसाइट खोलते हैं तो आपको एक बार ही तो याद करते हैं. सो दैट इज समथिंग यू आर गोइंग टू कैरी नाउ फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. ठीक है?
Okay.
ये एक ऐप तो मेक फ्रेंड्स विद इट फॉर लाइफ. आई स्टिल हैव
Okay.
इट ऑन माय फोन. ठीक है? चलो, सी यू गाइस ऑन थर्सडे नाउ एट 8:30.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
All right.
ma'am.
Good night.
Good night, ma'am.